Hello people, this is the door to my workshop and this is where the bed of the lathe is now. So we're pretty close. And this is how I'm using the excavator to lift these heavier machines. So I'm not using the hook at the end of the beam right there, but I'm using the center of the beam to hold the hook of my truck crane, which holds the lathe. So by these means I'm getting a huge amount of more force than what would be at the end of the beam. And actually the bed of the lathe is not even heavy. The excavator won't even struggle to lift it. Let me show you. Let's get down. And by the way, this machine will be a struggle. And this is the shaft grinder. This really will be a struggle. I think it weighs almost double what the bed of that lathe weighs. So let's see how I can move that, but first let's just worry about the lathe. It was also a little bit scary to lift the grinder of the truck, because this was kind of laying on top of the lathe, so I had to lift this first. And since the lathe was on this side, I mean this side of the bed, meaning all the weight was on this side. So the lathe was pushing down here, and once I was swinging the crane over the side, even though I had the support arm or the foot down, it still wanted to tip over. And that was pretty scary. But actually I think I had exactly the same situation on the loading side. For some reason it wasn't that scary there. Okay, now let's go here. So, and as you can see, this actually is the next day. I was supposed to do this yesterday, but it was just too late. Well, actually I would have done it, but my truck ran out of diesel, which I think I was a little bit lucky, because I was only able to unload the air tank from the bed of the truck before the diesel ran out. So if I had been a little bit more aggressive on the gas on my way here, maybe I wouldn't even had made it here. So I'm glad the diesel ran out here. So that's why I have to finish this today. And as you can see, I've got some snow on the machines. Very light snow, but it's still pretty shiny. But oh, I don't like this. That's how it is. Most of it's still shiny, but I know I can easily remove this surface rust. But I still just don't like it on this freshly reground lathe bed. And so far I have no tension on the machine. It's sitting on its feet on the other side, and the other side on the blade of the excavator. But now let me show you how this excavator handles the lathe bed. I think you can see pretty well, even though it's pitch black dark here. Here we go. I think it would lift quite a bit more still, and it is gonna have to lift a little bit more if I'm willing to use this excavator to move the grinding machine inside. But we will see. But now I think I will have to let you go, because I really need to focus on this job. Okay, I'll get back to you in some point. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye.